The Chinese market represents a huge opportunity for Comau China. There are only 45 to 50 cars per 1,000 people in China currently. In developed countries, this ratio is significantly higher, so the opportunities in this market are huge. One of our advantages as a line builder in the Chinese market is that we are really a global company. A global line builder, or as we say in Comau, global strategy, local execution. Looking forward, I can foresee that our global operations will leverage the excellent knowledge and skills we are developing.
This team must deliver value. For example, in 2011, our biggest project was a completely body-in-white line for Fiat China, which included around 250 Comau robots. 20 engineers work on this project using Technomatic tools for nearly half a year, and the delivery state line and hard simulation that support the production line, which is now in operation. This project proves our ability to collaborate across continents, and we use some welding guns that were designed in Italy.
Process Designer 和 Process Simulate 还为写标书打下了一个良好的基础。我们已经提交了几份基于这些解决方案的标书。我们相信这种方法将会日益普及。
We currently employ the biggest and best skilled 3D simulation team in China. Dozens of engineers who use ROBCAD, Process Designer and Process Simulate. The Technomatics tools not only help us to provide best-in-class production lines to our customer, but also help us to eliminate waste in our engineering and helping minimize rework on the shop floor.
Compared to a project done using ROBCAD with Process Designer and Process Simulate, I see a clear saving in engineering manpower, since there is no need for a Comau Shangai engineer who function as a technical mechanical leader to be involved in this communication. It's straightforward to communicate directly with customer based on process design and process simulate data. Most of our customers require us to use tools in Technomatics portfolio, such as ROBCAD, Process Design and Process Simulate. But even for those few customers who use other tools, we have taken the strategy decision to use only Technomatics toolset. Why? Because we believe Technomatics is the best tool for set the 3D simulation and the robotics work shells. Using Technomatic tools, we are able to simulate more production scenario in a very short time. Now we are about to simulate and commission in the second phase of this project, which almost double the line through by means of cycle time reduction and the multiplication of the robotic station. For a line builder like Comau Shangai, the engineering communication framework with the customer is always a challenge. What form of communication to use, which data to share with customer and how to frequently to do so.
随着需要提供模拟数据客户的日益增多，我们意识到要提供一个更加灵活的系统架构来支持不同客户的需求。它包括 Process Designer 和 Process Simulator 的版本， 数据环境和软件环境。因此，在西门子 PIM 软件的支持下，部署了一个虚实相结合的软件创新环境。该配置节省了60%的硬件成本，提高了硬件的利用率，并使信息部有能力在3天内为新的客户或项目提供全新的 Process Designer 和 Process Simulator 的软件环境，大大提高了信息部在企业内部的满意度。
另一个具有前景的领域是 Team-Centered Manufacturing Process Planner 与 Process Simulator 的整合，因为它能让我们使全球各地的库和工艺计划克服组织结构和地理方面的各种障碍。科马上海正在研究西门子 PLM 软件的其他前景广阔的制造工程解决方案，例如 Process Simulate Virtual Commissioning， 利用真实的控制器测试虚拟作业单元是一个前景广阔的领域，因为它能够缩短项目工期。它还能涉及一些公司结构方面的变化，因为现在属于另一个部门的控制工程师必须与模拟工程师展开紧密合作。
We are already a market leader in the areas of automotive body welding and powertrain machining and assembly. We're experiencing a very fast growth to the excellent engineering skills we have developed, our relentless efforts for continuous improvement, and the big value we deliver for our customers. This would not have been possible if we were not using the tools of Technomatics.